as UAE, we have always been caring about the population in the UAE, whether it's the local population or the people living as well in the UAE. So the vaccination in the UAE has been available for everyone for free, and it's been, I think the main reason was to keep everyone safe and to keep the country safe. So yes, there is a lot of things happening around the world, even in our country, but there are certain things, certain measures that you have to take to keep it to a minimum. Life goes on. We can't stop forever.
This also, but this was very special because people are aware that they have to take care of themselves, and that's how they can take care of the whole society. And for that, UAE has really done a remarkable job providing vaccination. So that faith was there, and as a result of that faith, today we are exhibiting pictures here. This huge festival of photography is happening here. People are visiting here. People are coming from different countries to participate in this fair, and that really shows that UAE is working towards getting everybody back better and safe.
Most affected people in the US, lots of people.
I'm sort of a third into a story on bushmeat, which is meat that's sourced from the wild, and how that meat affects zoonotic disease, COVID obviously being one of them. I want to finish that story. I think it's very important. Obviously, working on COVID itself has been very effective, or very affecting, I should say. I worked on the effect of COVID on conservation, and just the fact that so much money has been lost from donor efforts for things like conservation efforts, and so how do these places survive? So it's been quite a busy year despite the restrictions.
The COVID pandemic has been a really big issue for us because in terms of travel, a lot of these stories happen in places which we don't live. Travel is really inherent to the work that we're doing as documentary makers and photojournalists, so it's been really difficult, and ultimately it's hard because we know the situations are still there. The conditions that the animals are living in haven't gone away. In fact, they're probably actually a lot worse.
The place, the soul of the place, sure, it can be the vision. She did not want me there. But as I turned to teaching his children maths, I see a mother feeding her.
I think this is a turning point in the history of humanity, what's happened. It's the first time in living memory that we've been involved in a global crisis like this, a medical crisis, an epidemic. What I hope it means is that we actually become closer together and understand we are all interconnected. We all rely on each other in different ways. This will not end until it ends for all. And we have to work together to achieve that.
this also, but this was very special because
من فصولها بكل سهولة.